Hello everyone. Today we're introducing the Lucky Miner LV07, a high-performance 1 terahash per second Bitcoin mining rig. The upgraded LV07, professional mining power straight out of the box. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need to start mining. Kit contains 1x 5507 miner, a 12-volt 5-amp power adapter, an AC cable, and a quick start manual. Let's get it running. Connect the AC cable to the adapter, plug it into the miner's DC port, and power it on. Next, connect via Wi-Fi or hotspot. We will proceed with the device's network configuration. Open the network option. In Wi-Fi SSID, enter an available 2.4G network name. In Wi-Fi password, enter the corresponding password. After entering the details, click the Save button. The device network setup is now successful. Click Settings on the left, then configure the mining pool and wallet address. Enter the LTC mining pool address, port number, and your LTC wallet account. Click the Save button to confirm the settings. Click the Restart button to apply the changes. This mining machine can reach a hash rate of 1 terahash per second, plus or minus 10%. This device operates with a power rating of 25 watts plus or minus 10%. Join the crypto revolution today. With worldwide shipping, your mining journey begins instantly. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for setup guides and order now at luckyminerclub.com.